Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a super exciting day because we finally have the brand new Oppo Find X8s in our hands. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz, promising flagship-level performance in a more compact and stylish design. So let's dive right in and take a first look at what this little powerhouse has to offer. The Find X8s is described as a slim and lightweight device with a thickness of around 7.7 millimeters and weighing approximately 179 grams. It features a glass front and back with an aluminum frame. It also boasts an impressive IP68, IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, offering protection against high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The phone will feature the 3.73 GHz Dimensity 9400 Plus chip and a 5700 mAh battery. It is expected to arrive with 80 watts wired and 50 watt wireless charging support. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus 3nm chipset. This includes an octa-core CPU with high-performance Cortex-X925 and Cortex-X4 cores, along with Cortex-A720 efficiency cores and an Immortalis G925 GPU. This suggests top-tier performance for demanding tasks in gaming. The Oppo Find X8s will arrive with a 6.2-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution of 2640 by 1216 pixels, 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, resulting in a pixel density of around 419 ppi. The display also supports Ultra HDR images. The Oppo Find X8s comes in multiple configurations, offering 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 56GB of 512GB or 1TB of UFS 4.0 internal storage. In terms of photography, the X8s will come with a 32-megapixel front camera and triple 50-megapixel cameras on the back. The Find X8's rear camera setup will include a 50-megapixel Sony Light 700 primary camera with OIS support, a 50-megapixel ultrawide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom and OIS support. The rear camera offers features like a color spectrum sensor, Hasselblad Color Calibration, LED flash, HDR, and panorama. It can record video at 4K at 30-60 FPS and 1080p at various frame rates with gyro EIS, HDR, 10-bit video, and Dolby Vision support. The front camera is a 32-megapixel wide lens with an f2.4 aperture and can also record 4K video. Its additional features include an in-screen fingerprint sensor and an IR blaster. It is expected to run on ColorOS 15-based Android 15. It is also expected to come with other features, such as 80-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, an 0809 vibration motor, a new push-type hardware button instead of an alert slider, and an IP68-69 rated body. Connectivity supports 5G dual SIM, advanced Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with high-quality audio codecs, apt HD LHDC5, NFC, and an infrared port. It has an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and circle-to-search functionality. The Oppo Find X8s appears to be positioned as a compact yet powerful flagship smartphone, potentially rivaling devices like the Xiaomi 15 and Samsung Galaxy S25 in terms of size and high-end features. Its focus on a slim design with top-tier performance and a capable camera system makes it an appealing option for users who prefer a more pocketable device without compromising on flagship capabilities. The Oppo Find X8s is shaping up to be a compelling smartphone with a focus on a sleek design, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system, backed by the latest software and promising long-term updates. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.